Okay. Okay?
Okay.
What's her
Fine.
name?
Why are you asking me?
So that if you want to talk to my supervisor, you'll know her name.
Just put your supervisor on the phone.
Okay, miss. Mm. Okay, miss?
Yes.
Miss Smith,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So, that's the last one. Have I answered all of your questions today?
I think so.
Think so. Okay. So, it's okay, Miss Smith. My supervisor is here to assess you better with your concern. So,
Okay.
thank you for calling. Have a great day. Goodbye.
All right.